How do you become the safest, highest quality, most productive steel company in the world? You work together. You take care of your customers, protect your environment, and give back to your community. That's exactly what we're doing at Nucor Steel, Texas.
Hello and welcome to Nucor Steel in Jewett, Texas. My name is Thad Solomon, and I'm the Vice President and General Manager of this facility. For more than 40 years, at the facility behind me, a dedicated team of men and women have worked hard to deliver quality steel products to a number of industries. We thank you for your interest in Nucor, and we're excited to show you what we do here. But first things first, at Nucor Steel, Texas, there's nothing more important than safety. Safety is the foundation of everything that we do.
Safety is a core part of who we are, and first in everything we do at Nucor, Texas. In partnership with OSHA, our team has achieved one of the highest acknowledgments of safety, the Voluntary Protection Program STAR designation. We're working together to create the safest working environment in our industry.
Safety at Nucor is priority number one. We treat everybody like they're our family, and that way we're taking care of each other like family.
Safety is our number one priority here. Everybody here truly does care about the people that are around them. We talk all the time about being able to leave here the way we came in to work that day, and that speaks volumes.
The more than 400 teammates who work in our mill produce the finest steel in the world. Our wide range of products include reinforcing bars, angles, flats, rounds, channels, and billets used by tube manufacturers to produce seamless pipe. Our products are used to construct buildings, equipment, and roads all across America, and play an important role in supporting our economy and maintaining our vital infrastructure.
The direct jobs that are attributable here to Nucor Steel in Jewett are very significant for this local economy, but one of the things that's often overlooked are those ancillary jobs or those indirect jobs that also are a direct result of Nucor Steel being located here in Jewett and Leon County. And when you think about all of the small businesses across this part of the state that rely upon Nucor Steel for their jobs and their livelihoods, it truly is remarkable, and it's a big asset for this entire state.
At Nucor Steel, Texas, all of our products are made from 100% scrap metal. Scrap that would have otherwise ended up in landfills or littered across the Texas countryside. Our process starts with the electric arc furnace, or EAF. Electricity is used to melt the scrap into molten metal. This process is the most efficient way to make steel. From the EAF, the chemistry of the steel is refined at the ladle metallurgy station. It is then delivered from the caster to form billets. The billets are reheated and takes their final shape on one of two rolling mills. The finished products are then delivered to our customers all throughout North America.
Quality is our number one priority, and we have dozens of checks throughout our plant in the terms of systems and tests, where we make sure that the product that we're making meets the specifications. As long as you know what the customer wants and you know what to do with those requirements, you'll always be able to make the right product for the customer. And that's the most important part, is knowing what your customer wants, understanding what he needs.
We just want to ensure that our customers get the best quality that we can give them. We do 3 levels of testing, with physical testing, sharper impact testing, and metallurgy.
Nucor manufactures everything at this facility, from a small number 3 rebar all the way up to a 12-inch flat 6x6 1-inch angle, so a wide range there.
We understand that the customer takes care of us, so it's our number one priority to take care of the customers.
At Nucor Steel, Texas, we minimize the need for raw materials by recycling steel that already exists. This enables us to reduce our energy demand and increase the reliability of the Texas energy grid. And compared to traditional steelmaking methods, our recycling process saves enough energy to power more than 300,000 homes a year. We have received the Texas Environmental Excellence Award in pollution prevention for our efforts in further reducing energy consumption.
At Nucor, we are committed to being cultural and environmental stewards in the communities where we live and work. We value and appreciate our neighbors. The Nucor team and our community are on the same team, and we are dedicated to making things better for everyone.
First and foremost, Nucor cares about the environment because it's the right thing to do. At the same time, it's a good business decision. It allows us to operate here under all the rules and regulations that are required, but at the same time, it allows us to be here and to serve our customers and to be profitable. We do several things to this division to take care of the environment. One of the key components of that is our bag house, which collects all the emissions from the EAF. At the same time, we look for ways to conserve water and make sure we're using that resource as efficiently as possible. We also focus on waste minimization to make sure that we are doing everything we can to minimize the amount of material that goes into our country's landfills.
Nucor prides itself in taking care of their employees, and they also pride themselves in the environment. Just take a look at what they've done out front with planting of all the trees.
Well, as a fellow tree farmer myself, I know the rigorous standards that you have to meet in order to be a certified tree farmer, in that it tells me that Nucor Steel wants to give back not only to our environment, but they want to leave our environment in a better condition.
Today, we're helping supply power to the Texas energy grid. We have supplied steel to build 3,800 transmission towers for the competitive Renewable Energy Zone's Wind Tower project. These towers are part of the Renewable Energy Superhighway that moves wind power from West Texas to the rest of the state. From local schools to community events, our team is committed to being a part of this great area in which we live.
Well, they've been special in our area for sure. They're a very good neighbor. They work with the communities. They want to be a part of the community. It's very unusual these days that companies come in and want to be a part of the community.
It's hard to go to any school in this county and not see an impact, a footprint that Nucor Steel has had on that school district, because it's been profound. And so whether it's offering scholarships to employees' children that want to go on to college.
Through the Nucor Foundation, every child of every Nucor teammate receives a $3,200 per year scholarship to help pay for college. We are proud to invest in America's future workforce and the next generation of Nucor teammates.
The Nucor Scholarship is available to every child of every employee here at Nucor, and it assures that that child will be able to go to college.
I mean, to me, Nucor Steel, again, is a shining example of a good corporate neighbor and someone that really, I think, understands the importance of investing in the most important asset, and that's our youth and our children.
Nucor appreciates the privilege to be a part of Texas. That's why we give back. That's why we support our veterans, because we know our strength comes from the community that supports us, because we are the community.
Whenever I have to go to any type of drills or ATs, basically Nucor just tells me, let me know what's going on and we'll take care of you. A lot of companies don't understand what we have to do, having to work on the weekends, having to miss some days of work, and it feels like people understand here. It's not like it's held against me. It's like I'm able to just do what I need to do and then come back and fall right back in line. That's really something I appreciate, because it makes me feel that I'm a part of a family.
The team at Nucor Steel Jewett takes its job very seriously. We are dedicated to excellence in safety, the environment, quality, and the performance of our operation. We really appreciate your time today, and we hope you'll come and see us.